everyone, welcome to Phoebe's Story, and today I'll be doing a giveaway video which I supposed to do it on April, but due to my busy schedule I had to move it to May. The thing that I'm gonna give away today is this beautiful clay pot from SOA Ceramic which worth RM89. To join this event, the first thing you need is a Malaysian address where I can send this to, and then also you need to be my subscriber. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the red subscribe button, and do turn on the notification so that you'll never miss any new uploads from me. It's quite simple to join this event. You need to answer one question in the comment box below, and the question is, what is the title of the dish in this video? It's quite simple, right? All you need to do is copy paste the title or just watch through the video and then type the answer in the comment box below. The event will end on the 7th May 2019, and I'll pick one lucky winner from the comment box. All the answers are put into a lucky pouch, and then I'll draw one lucky winner from there. So good luck to you, and hope you enjoy this video. Bye!
Today I'll be cooking ginger wine chicken stew in clay pot, and here I have half a chicken cut into small sizes which I've cleaned, and then we'll season this with dash of ginger powder, dash of white pepper powder, drizzles of sesame oil, and drizzles of soy sauce. Then use a chopstick to mix it well. Actually we can use hand, but then because of the bones it might hurt the hand, so it will be better to use a chopstick to just stir it around. Make sure that everything is well mixed. Then once everything is mixed well, then add in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. This will help to tenderize the chicken, and then also helps to thicken up the soup a little bit in the later stage. For this dish, it's actually about 4 ingredients besides the seasoning, which is ginger, garlic, chicken, and then cooking wine. Here I have a 5 cm size of ginger which I cut into thin slices, then julienne cut it, which will serve as a garnish later on. Then I'll have another thumb size of ginger which I cut into thin slices. This will go into the stew. Then also I'll have a few cloves of garlic which I smash with knife because I like it big pieces, but if you want you can mince it. Now we're ready to cook the ginger wine chicken stew. So in the clay pot, add in drizzles of sesame oil and turn on the heat. Once it's heated up, then add in the ginger slices and also smashed garlic. Saute this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until it is fragrant-full, then add in the marinated chicken. Cook the chicken for roughly 3 to 4 minutes until it's no longer that pinkish. Then add in Shaoxing wine, a quarter cup of Shaoxing wine. If you have ginger wine, rice wine, red yeast wine, you can use that, but I only have Shaoxing wine in my pantry, so I'm using Shaoxing wine. Simmer this for a good rough 1 to 2 minutes, then add in about 150 ml of water. Just good enough to cover the chicken, then let it simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, then season the chicken stew with about roughly a tablespoon of oyster sauce, quarter teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of sugar. You may adjust the taste according to your own taste. Then after that, continue to let it simmer while prepare the fried ginger as garnishing. In the pan, I add drizzles of sesame oil, then add in the julienne cut ginger. Then gonna fry this until the ginger is dried and brown. During my confinement, I have my auntie that helped me to do this. They cut everything, julienne sliced this, and then julienne cut this, then fried it and put in a whole big bottle. So whenever I cook soup or anything during the confinement, I just add in the ginger into my dish. So just keep stirring until it turns brown, but make sure not to burn it. So once the fried ginger is ready and our stew is ready, before serve, just add in the fried ginger on top of the chicken stew, then serve it while it's hot. The chicken stew is ready, and thank you for watching. Bye.